Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTier and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with a new find that I found at the Dollar Tree. I was in the Dollar Tree the other day, y'all, and I saw this stencil. Now, some of y'all may have already seen this, but I saw this stencil wheel and I was like, wow, it says do it yourself Jot Project stencil wheel. And I started looking at it. And as I started looking at it, I put this under here. I think that's too light. I noticed the different shapes. Notice the different shapes, animal shapes. So this one is a zebra. Okay, the first one is a zebra. There's 6 of them on here. One is a zebra. The next one is a giraffe. And then the next one is a hippo. I hope y'all can see this. And the only thing that screamed out to me was earrings. Every time I see something, y'all, it's got something to do with earrings. Then I saw this. It has a kangaroo, one with a kangaroo on here. Hope y'all can see it. And then it has also a lion. And the one that really got me was the elephant. This is the one that got me because I love elephants. I love elephants, y'all. So I said, you know what? I could probably get this stencil and do a DIY project because I haven't done a DIY project in a while. So I was like, I could probably get this stencil, do a DIY project, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So sometime today, I am going to do a DIY project. Please be on the lookout for that, y'all. It is coming with this stencil. Now, I want to tell you, it's got 6 different animals on here. It's got a lion, kangaroo, the hippo, the giraffe, and the zebra and the elephant. Okay? And I'm telling y'all, when you run across stuff like this at the Dollar Tree, get it, because it could really, you may not need it, you may not use it right then and there, but I promise you, when you're a crafter, you'll find you can do all types of stuff with this. You can do cards with it. You can do, let me shut my mouth. But I'm telling y'all, go. It's called Stencil Wheel. This is who makes it. It's by Jot. It's at the Dollar Tree, and it's $1. Okay, and as a matter of fact, y'all, they didn't just have it in the animal print. They had it in another print too. It was in another print too. It wasn't just an animal print. It was in something else. I started to get it, but then when I went in there, my pennies wasn't looking good. So I was like, you know what? I didn't really go in there to get this, but since I was in there, I was like, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. So when I get back today, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all I'm going to show y'all a project from this, okay? So excuse my nose, but anyway, y'all. So I want to thank y'all for joining me for this video, and go get you some goodness. Like I always say, y'all, it's just $1. So for those of you who are new to my channel, please subscribe by hitting that all bell button that is on the side. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And I will see you all later. Thank y'all so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Peace and blessings, everyone. And until the next one, see ya.